Hello, civil engineers. Gate 25 examination is over, response sheet is out, and official answer key is also out. I hope you have verified your responses with the official answer key to get a tentative score that you might have scored in Gate 25 examination, although the final results will be out on 17th of March. But till then, what could be the expected cutoff? That is the next question which is popping up in every engineer's mind who has written Gate 25 examination, and based on their marks, what could be their possible rank. So this video is for you, in which we will going to discuss all the factors that influence the gate cutoff marks and the rank of the candidate. So one by one, I will going to discuss all the factors. So stay tuned till the last of the video. My dear, if you observe the gate cutoff marks, it depends upon three criterias. First one is the average marks scored by top 1% candidates. Second is the average marks scored by all the candidates. So these are the two major factors which influence the gate cutoff marks. For general category, the minimum gate cutoff marks is 25, but based on the difficulty level of the examination, it can also increase. This year, in both the sessions of civil engineering, the overall difficulty of the examination was easy to moderate. It was not a very difficult question. Although from 2-3 subjects we have got some really challenging questions, but overall difficulty level was easy to moderate. So if you look into this subject wise, general aptitude and mathematics, the difficulty level was easy to moderate. For technical subjects like geotechnical engineering, transportation engineering, the difficulty level was moderate. The questions that we got in the examinations were asked from the set concepts which are regularly repeated in the previous examinations. Environmental engineering was challenging this time because we have got more questions from environmental chemistry. So especially in environmental engineering, either we have got a very easy question or a very difficult one. So environmental engineering will going to play a key role in deciding your rank. Those candidates who have made all the questions of environmental engineering correct will be on the higher side. Hydrology and irrigation was moderate, and after this you have FM and open channel flow. It was easy to moderate. Standard questions were asked. Structural analysis was challenging this time. A lot of MSQs were asked from structural analysis, and along with it, the structures which were given are the typical structures. Those are never asked in the examination. In fact, the concept which is used to solve that structure was also never asked in the examination for some of the question of structures. So those candidates who have done structures and environment good, they can expect the good rank, making sure that they have also done other subjects correctly. Then you have RCC. It was easy to moderate. Steel was moderate. In session 1, it was very easy. Then from surveying, easy questions were asked, and CMM was very easy this time. Especially the multiple choice question and the multiple select question asked from the materials were very easy this time. So overall difficulty level of the examination was easy to moderate. Now what we have seen is, when the overall difficulty is easy to moderate, then the average marks scored by all the candidates will going to increase. And if this increases, the gate cutoff marks will be on the higher side. If you observe the trend from last few years, in GATE 2023, for unreserved category, the gate cutoff was 27. For 2024, it was 28.3. And last year, the GATE examination, which was framed for civil engineering, was comparatively hard as prepared for this year. So for 2025, we are expecting the gate cutoff somewhere between 29 to 31. The jump will be hardly of 2 or 3 marks. It will be not more than like 3-4 marks. Reason being, the average marks scored by the candidates, irrespective of the difficulty level, will not going to fluctuate a lot. There will be fluctuation on the higher side, but it will not going to fluctuate a lot. So this time what we are expecting for GATE 25, the gate cutoff will be somewhere between 29 to 31 marks, right? So this is for unreserved category. Looking for OBC category, so whatever will be the cutoff for unreserved category, 0.9 times of it will be the cutoff for OBC category, and 0.67 times of this number will be the cutoff for SC/ST and PWD category, right? So this is the expected cutoff for GATE 25. Anyways, we will going to get the final result on 17th of March. This is just one prediction that we are making from our side, looking onto the difficulty level. Now coming into the marks, my dear, if you have scored anything above 80 marks, you can expect your rank in this range, like under All India rank 30. If you have scored somewhere in this range, 80 to 70 marks, then this is the range of rank that you can expect, which is 30 to 200. Now, how I am doing this? Based on the data which is released for GATE 24 and GATE 23 examination, analyzing that data, we are making these predictions. Anyways, the final result will be out on 17th of March. So let's wait for that. But I'm just giving you a tentative idea that if you are scoring somewhere in this range, then this could be your probable rank. If you are scoring somewhere between 70 to 60 marks, your rank could be somewhere between 200 to 1000. If you are scoring somewhere between 60 to 50 marks, then your rank may be between 1000 to 3000. This 50 to 40 will be the highly packed area this time, because a lot of easy questions were asked, due to which this domain of 40 to 50 marks will going to have a lot of candidates. That is why we are expecting your rank between 3000 to 7000. It may also increase, right? But if you are scoring somewhere between 40 to 30 marks, then your rank will be below 7000. Now, observing the previous year trends, what we have observed is, last year, a lot of candidates who have scored anything between 8,000 to 12,000 rank, they have also got the top NITs on the spot rounds. So this year also we can expect. So even if your GATE marks is less, don't waste your time, because a lot of opportunities are there for you. So keep reading, because there is one more opportunity of sponsored MTech program that we will going to discuss in another video, what next to be done after GATE 2025. So this is the trend that we are expecting this year, observing the data of last 2 years of GATE 24 and GATE 23 examination. Okay. Before closing this session, my dear, we have a Telegram group for which the link is provided to you in the description box. So you can join our Telegram group. If you have any query, you can ask us personally. We regularly provide the quizzes and doubt solving on our Telegram group for non-enrolled candidates. Next, we at IMS GATE Academy, we provide you with this live online program where we are providing 800 hours of live teaching with interaction. We provide you with theory and exercise book containing 4000 practice questions, well versed in level 1, level 2 and level 3. Along with that, we are providing with 33 year of GATE question bank, in which we are providing with the detailed solution, alternate solution, key points, chapter overview, along with the video solution. We are providing with 12 personalized one-to-one mentoring sessions. These are the sessions that keeps you motivated, well planned throughout your GATE preparation journey. We provide you with India's largest test series containing 130 plus online tests, starting from the chapter test, subject test, multiple subject test, advanced subject test, along with the full length mock test. If you want to know more about our courses, you can book a free counseling session, for which the link is provided to you in the description box. If you want to test our product, we are providing with a GATE zero fee program, and for that you have to just log in into the details which are provided to you in the description box. A link is there for the zero fee program. Log in into that and you have the free access of 50 plus hours of concept videos, along with 3 free GATE chapter and subject test, one personalized guiding session, and along with it, many more things are provided to you in the zero fee program. On the same note, I would also like to congratulate our GATE 24 toppers who have landed themselves into colleges like ISCs, IITs and NITs, preparing with IMS GATE Academy. So if you have liked the video, don't forget to share with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe it. Thank you for watching.